Hey everyone! Looking for something quick, affordable, and seriously different from your usual egg recipes? This Tawa Egg Masala is not just fast to make. It's packed with bold flavor that'll make your taste buds pause mid-bite. Perfect for busy days, tight budgets, or when you're just tired of the same old breakfast or lunch. And trust me, you don't want to miss this. There are a few secret tips later in the video that take the taste from basic to wow, what is this? You don't need to make a bunch of complicated pastes or gravies. We're just blending up a simple, fresh paste. 10 to 12 garlic cloves, 4 to 5 green chilies. Use more if you like it spicy, or skip them if you don't. 1-inch piece of ginger, chopped. A small bit of tamarind, and a few cilantro leaves. Blend all that with about 3 tablespoons of water until smooth. That's it. Now boil a few eggs. Once they're cooked, peel them and slice them in half. Set aside. Heat up a pan with 3 tablespoons of oil. Once it's hot, place the eggs in, cut side down, and let them sizzle. Now sprinkle in half a teaspoon of salt, a pinch of turmeric, a pinch of mild red chili powder. Crank the heat up a bit and let one side get nice and crispy. This recipe's a total time saver. And you can make it in a pan or on a flat griddle known as tawa, whatever you have. It's especially amazing if you love garlic. You'll get that rich, savory kick in every bite. Once the eggs are browned, give the pan a gentle shake so the spices coat everything evenly. This is one recipe you'll be coming back to again and again. Tawa Egg Masala is perfect if you're short on time. Great for students, folks living alone, or anyone craving something homemade and flavorful. Just look at that color and the aroma. So good. Now let's make the gravy. Use the same pan and leftover oil. If needed, add another 2 tablespoons. Drop in 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Once they start to sizzle, toss in some chopped green chili and 2 finely chopped onions. Sauté over high heat until they turn golden brown. Now, add that green paste we made earlier. Cook it with the onions on high heat for about 2 minutes. That'll get rid of any raw smell from the garlic and tamarind. By the way, I'm doing an entire 50-egg recipe series on this channel. All are unique. So if you love eggs, stick around, subscribe, and don't miss what's coming next. Then go in with 2 teaspoons mild red chili powder and 1 teaspoon of spicy red chili powder if you want extra heat. 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon all-purpose spice, 1 tablespoon salt. Now, let's keep going. Turn the heat down a bit and pour in just a little hot water. It'll help prevent the spices from burning. Mix everything well and cook until the oil starts to separate. That's when you know it's done right. You can even throw in a few whole garlic cloves here for an extra flavor punch. Cover it up and let it simmer on medium for about 2 minutes. Your kitchen's gonna smell amazing right about now. That roasted garlic and spice combo is unbeatable. All right, time to drop those fried eggs back in. No need to cook them long. Just let them soak in that masala for a few seconds on each side. And we're done. Turn off the heat and finish with a drizzle of cream if you're feeling fancy. And just look at this beauty. Perfectly golden eggs, rich masala clinging to every bite, and a flavor so bold. It's hard to believe this came together in just minutes. Simple ingredients, stunning presentation, and a taste that sticks with you long after the last bite. If you've ever said, "I don't have time to cook," this dish proves you don't need much time to make something unforgettable. Now I've got a question for you. What's the one egg dish you've never tried, but really want to? Tell me in the comments. And maybe I'll make it next. And hey, if this recipe got you even a little excited, hit that subscribe button, because I'll be sharing recipes twice a week, each one quick, creative, and totally delicious. Don't miss what's coming next. I've got you covered for every craving.